Hi guys, thanks for watching Adrenaline OK. Well, we got I don't know how many parts, but we're going to start with part one of this 1981 YZ that I bought a while ago. I'm going to build it now. Here it is. She's a little bit seen better days there. Bought this thing about 8 years ago now or something like that, and things got a little hairy out in the pasture one day, and we bent the frame up pretty good. So my little brother, he went to in Regina, they had a motorcycle salvage that is now no longer there. I guess it was too messy for the area, but anyways, he got the new frame piece before they closed down, so here we have it. And we're going to cut the mangled, bent frame apart and add this new rear piece, and then we're going to paint it up. We're going to assemble the bike. We're going to get it all going and running, so stay tuned. A little wonky. Well, I can't make a dirt bike video without showing you the engine, and what an engine. Old 250cc, well, 246cc, Yamaha, air-cooled, just an old powerhouse. She'll get the job done. This thing runs great. That about does it for this video. I got the frame prepped and ready. Next time we're gonna put all the engine and the major components on, rear suspension and front suspension and all that stuff. And then part 3, final video, we're gonna be ripping this thing, so stay tuned.